My name is Schonert. I'm with Schonert Associates. I'm a project manager. We do the maintenance work on the brick intersections in downtown Portland and mostly along the transit mall. Working within the transit mall has many different obstacles. It's dealing with pedestrians, vehicular traffic, buses, trains. We always had to keep the train going. You can't stop the train, you can't stop the buses. It's also a flexible intersection. So when the heavy buses, there's 40,000 pounds apiece, they go through the bumps and the manholes and they bounce up and down. They create kind of a jackhammer effect. With the Pavers system, it's a flexible system, so it lets the buses beat it up a little bit. Back in the day, when they originally built the transit mall, they were mortar set intersections. Both happening when the buses would go through, and the constant bouncing through the intersections was tearing the intersection apart. With the flexible paver system, with the Schonert Pavers, we're able to repair an intersection or pothole. Like right here, we're doing a rut for the buses. We're able to repair a big, large section at one time, put it back in one day, which is why they're on the 45-degree angle on herringbone. It's an interlocking system. The bad thing about this system is that in Oregon we get a lot of rain. And so think about when you're at the beach, right? It's on the water line, and that your feet kind of sink there, right? When it's so saturated. Sometimes that's what happens in the wintertime, is especially in the bus lanes, you'll see a little rutting or here and there because that water becomes so saturated, that concrete bathtub. It's fun.